So we have Dr. Sanjana with us.
Hi, Sanjana, am I audible? First of all, a big congratulations, Sanjana. Sanjana, आप म्यूट पे हो.
Is it okay now?
Yes, great. So first of all, congratulations. Actually, what you have achieved is I think one of the biggest inspiration that you can have given to all the your colleagues and everything. So a big congratulations from DVMCI.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I'm extremely grateful to the entire faculty because whatever I've done in this last 1 to 1.5 years has been only through DVMCI. So it's really been only possible because of them. So thank you very much.
1647 in INICT in November.
Yes.
To 160 in July.
Yes. Yeah.
Such a big.
Yes. And
क्या कैसे किया और मुझे सबसे पहले पता है क्या जानना है. You are comfortable in Hindi, right?
हाँ, sir, definitely.
So basically what I want to know first of all is that how did you manage to pick yourself up from 1647? I mean, I know Abhi right now I'm in the middle of counseling many students. They are just totally shattered. I'll use the word. So how did you manage to get back from that?
सर तो मैं शुरू से बताती हूँ. Actually, it was very difficult for me.
But was in English because the whole India will be watching. So,
yeah, sure. Thank you, sir. So yeah, it was a little difficult for me because when I started off with my preparation after internship in NEET 2020, I got a rank of 54,000. So उस time पे my mindset was कि somehow I should just aim to get a decent rank in NEET so that I can get a subject of my choice in a good medical college. So I was actually never targeting INI CET, but I think once I was able to I changed my mindset because we used to get constant motivation from all our professors, especially I think Dr. Rajat sir and Dr. Tamim sir need a special mention for this.
Exactly.
And they told us that you don't need to think that you are average and aap nahi kar sakte ho. This mindset in itself is a very huge thing. If you can change this, then nothing can stop you from achieving what you want. So I really worked very hard on that. I think in November INI CET, I didn't feel I was adequately prepared and I got a rank better than I expected to. So, after that day, I pushed myself even harder. I decided कि चलो चाहे जो भी हो, at least, for the next NEET and INI CET, I'm really going to try targeting INI CET, and I was giving GTs regularly, and so I think it's the mindset. I really like to emphasize on that. कि once you can change your mindset, because if I can do it, I think anyone can achieve it.
No. It's. I mean, securing rank 1. I'll tell you that. I know Amritya from a long time right now, and I see his performance. So he has been a very very sustainable performer. ऐसा नहीं है कि एकदम से rank 1 आई. He was one of the people who could have scored that rank 1. So he has worked very hard. But making that jump, that requires another set of bravery, courage, because getting back from that kind of tip is not an easy task. 54,000 people just lose their mind that हमसे हो ही नहीं सकता. They get that kind of feeling. So that kind of mindset, I think right now, all the students right now who have not done great in INICT just July 1, they need this kind of mindset that what needs to be done to get back on their feet.
Yeah, definitely.
So what you have done is pretty much was an impossible task. So hats off to you, hats off to your family for actually making you do this, keeping giving you the courage. Because without family, I don't think
Definitely.
that you would have been able to do that.
No
So
way.
great performance.
Thank you so much, sir.
So what was your basic schedule during your preparation between
So,
these 6 months?
I think first of all, getting a good amount of sleep, I would say, is important. So I used
Mm,
to sleep around 7 hours, and so about okay, what I used to do is I divided my time as this was actually Rajat sir's advice: eight
mm,
hours of theory, and
mm,
4 hours I would spend on solving MCQs.
mm,
So I think initially in the first revision, I focused more on theory because I felt I was not very thorough with the notes. But then
mm,
gradually, when I started with my second revision, then I started solving more of MCQs
mm,
because I started realizing that there are many topics which I think I know, but I'm repeatedly making mistakes in the GTs. तो उस चीज़ को आइडेंटिफाई करना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट द एरियाज वेयर रिपीटेडली मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड रिवाइजिंग माय वीकर सब्जेक्ट्स फर्स्ट in every
mm.
revision. So I think all this advice that I've gotten from my teachers has really helped me reach this level and achieve this kind of a rank. So I would say, I know most students think revision is very important, and it is very important, but I think solving questions also is equally important.
Always, at the end of the day, it's a bunch of questions that is going to decide your
Definitely.
destiny.
Yes.
They are not going to ask you how much you have revised. They are not going to ask you kitne ghante aapne padha. They are just simply going to ask you whether this question can you solve it or not.
True, true.
So to all the students who are watching this interview, please understand that it is not just the academic part, but also the small non-academic things Sanjana has been telling you. Please realize that also, because without a combination, you will not be able to crack that examination. It can be as small as thing as that you are not getting enough sleep. So next day you are not able to concentrate enough, and the hours that you are actually putting in, they are draining you rather than making you better.
True.
So Sanjana, what was your test series plan? I mean, how were you giving the test? Question bank, I simply got it that yes, you
Yeah.
did very well practicing from time to time. But test series, now that's another challenge that many students, they simply run away from that.
Yeah. So for the test series, I had taken the NEET PG booster pack, and whatever tests
Mm,
were being putting up on test stress, as in when they used to
mm,
come, I used to give them regularly. So
mm,
I'd say, I think in the beginning, in March, April onwards, at that time I was
mm.
giving maybe one GT per week. And
Okay.
sometimes if it was not live, then I would go back to some older GTs given by
Mm,
DBMCI, and I would solve them, because I think any GT is good enough,
mm,
that's given by any institute. It will give you an idea of how much more you need to improve. And towards the end, so I think by the time it was May, I was doing at least 2 GTs in a week. I
mm,
started trying to solve more and more questions, because by that time we were pretty thorough with the notes. We got ample time to revise. And
mm.
I just made sure I was doing 2 GTs in a week and noting down the topics that I'm making mistakes in and revising them again and again. In fact, just one day before INI CET, I had a book ready where I had only my frequently forgettable topics, and I was just going through that and nothing else.
This is a very, very important topic. That line that you have just said, that you are noting down the mistakes that you were doing in the grand test, and then you are revising them again because those were your weak points.
Yeah.
To all the viewers, I have been telling you to use NEET Booster Series accordingly. That you do, I mean, 18th April the exam was supposed to happen, so you already know what you're supposed to know. Now you need to find out your mistakes yourself, and that is very simple. You simply start giving grand tests, the questions that you are marking wrong. Open the topics that you marked the question wrong from, and guarantee the one thing to yourself, that now I'm going to revise this topic again, so that in the next GT, if a question from this topic is asked, I will not mark it wrong.
Yeah.
So that is simply building up your strengths and removing your weaknesses. And as beautifully Sanjana has just put, that she made a notebook of all the forgetful topics, that is the weak points, and she simply revised that, I think, a couple of days back, and now she was sure that okay, agar isse sawal aata to main galat nahi karunga. Again, a very good strategic move.
Thank you.
Another small things that you have done, Sanjana, I'm really interested to know.
Well, I think, sir, I'll be very honest. It is nothing different from what all the teachers advise all their students. It's just the core of the preparation is the same. Stick to the notes. But yeah, I'm just emphasizing on the fact of solving a few questions and giving importance to them, because I know that most students don't do that, and I have also been there. I used to get very demotivated with my GT results, and in the beginning, I wasn't very good at handling that also. So, but then I had a lot of support. My teachers, my friends would tell me it's okay. In fact, Rajat sir used to very well say that just promise yourself that if you made a mistake in this topic, you'll never make it again. So the core of the preparation remains the same. I think one special thing, if you're asking me, I'd say it's definitely the mindset. You need to think positive and believe in yourself that you can do it. It's really something that's achievable, because I never even started my preparation before internship. Everything that I've done has been after my internship only. So it's really the mindset. I would say, be positive and surround yourself by a lot of positive people. It makes a huge difference. For me, definitely my parents, my elder brother, my family, and I've had some great friends who have also really been a very strong support. And I don't have to mention every teacher's name, it's the entire faculty of DVMCI. So just be positive and believe that you can do it. It's really achievable.
No, I'm really glad I got a chance to take this interview, because what I'm learning right now is I'm actually going to pass this to everybody I know. I'm going to say that Sanjana told me this, and these small points are going to help a lot of students. Sanjana, you have changed their lives today.
Thank you, sir. I really
No,
hope
I'm
so.
I'm seriously telling you this, because it's above what normally said that revise करना है, question करने हैं, वो हर बंदा कहता है.
Yeah,
But it's
true.
छोटी just so these are the small secrets that somebody who succeeds, and when he or she divulges that, now these are the things that changes lives.
Yes, sir.
So I'm really glad I got a chance to do this interview. And Sanjana, you have been a really great person. You have uh, done an unachievable job. It was supposed to be an impossible task, so you have managed to make it possible.
Thank you so
So
much, sir.
congratulations again, and
Thank
please
you.
pass on my wishes to your parents as well. Tell them they
Definitely.
got a brave daughter.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye bye. Take care.